लिख लीजिए इनकम मेथड। व्हाट इज इनकम मेथड ऑफ नेशनल इनकम मेजरमेंट? बोर्ड नजर आ रहा है? बोर्ड नजर आ रहा है? इनकम मेथड ऑफ नेशनल इनकम मेजरमेंट, it is also called distributed share method or factor income method. Distributed share method or factor income method.
Yes, sir.
So we have already discussed that we have different methods to estimate the national income of a country. First, we have discussed that is value added method. The
Yes, sir.
next and very old method is income method. According to this method, we estimate the national income of a country by summing up the factor incomes earned by all the factors of production of a country during 1 year. So when we
Yes,
sum
sir.
total the factor incomes in the form of rent, wages, interest, profit earned by all the factors of production of a country during 1 year, that becomes the gross national product or gross domestic product. So when income earned by all the factors earned within the country, within the domestic territory, that is counted, that becomes gross domestic product. When income earned abroad is included, then it becomes gross national product. So according to this method, according to income method, this method, national income is measured, national income of a country is measured in terms of, or on the basis of, in terms of factor incomes. Factor incomes or factor payments in the form of wages, rent,
Interest.
interest and profit. In terms of factor incomes earned by the factors of production.
Yes, sir.
Factors of
Production.
production during 1 year. During 1 year.
1 year.
So thus national income of a country by income method is sum total
Oh,
of factor payments or factor incomes. Sum total of factor incomes earned by all the factors of production. Factors of production during 1 year. During 1 year. So when we add up all factor incomes earned by all the factors of production of a country, we get national income. Thus, domestic income or national income is sum total of factor incomes earned within the domestic territory of a country. So the domestic product is estimated as sum total of income generated or earned within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year. So under this method, we divide or classify. We divide or classify the income, the factor incomes of a country into following three groups or categories. So whole income of the country, rent, wages, interest, profit, that is divided into three groups or three classes. They are broadly classified into three groups. So under this method, we divide or classify the factor incomes of a country into following three groups or classes. These are, what are these? These are, number first, classification of, compensation of employees. First group, compensation of employees. Number second, income type is operating surplus. Operating surplus. And number third group is mixed income. So we divide the whole income of a country into three classes, into three groups. So sum total of these three groups, sum total of compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income becomes the gross national product or national income of a country during 1 year. Now the question is, what is compensation of employees? These are, we can say these are separate three questions. What is compensation of employees? What is operating surplus? And what is mixed income? You have to write down. First you underline. These are explained. You write down, these are explained below. So आप खुद ये नोट बन गया, आपको बाजार से नोट लाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ये नोट बन गया. So income method is that method in which we measure the national income of a country through factor incomes of earned by all the factors of production during 1 year. According to this method, sum total of all incomes, all factor income like rent, wages, interest, profit becomes the national income of a country during 1 year. We divide all incomes, all factor incomes, the whole factor incomes of a country into three groups or three classes. These are compensation of employees, operating surplus, and mixed income. These are explained below. So we can say sum total of compensation of employees, operating surplus, and mixed income becomes national income. Now, what is compensation of employees? You write down first, compensation of employees.
Includes zero.
Compensation of employees. Underline कर दीजिए. Compensation of employees. Compensation means उजरत जो हम मुलाजिमों को दे रहे हैं. मुलाजिम में एम्प्लॉई में आता है casual as well as permanent, casual laborers as well as permanent workers. So what is compensation of employees? Compensation of employees, it is the reward of labor class of a country. Labor class of a country. It includes, क्या-क्या इसमें include होता है?
Wages and salaries in case.
Yes, wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. A, in cash.
Yes, sir.
In cash. And payment in kind. B, payment in coin.
Kind.
Kind क्या होता है? जिन्स में, in the form of goods and services. When we employ a labor, we pay him or her, for example, rice, wheat, or any product in the form of kind. Then we have employer's contribution to social security schemes. It also includes employers. What is employer? Employer is that person who appoints an employee. Employer's contribution
of social security scheme.
to social security schemes. Social security scheme. ये होता है ऐसा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल A is employer, जो अपॉइंट करता है लोगों को. He appoints B,
Yes, sir.
C, D, E, etc. These are workers, these are laborers. ये A इनको पे करता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1000 rupees per month. In addition to 1000 rupees, he also pays or she also pays 200 rupees to them. ये नकद कैश देता है, ये भी ये कैश देता है, लेकिन ये कहीं इनके लिए जमा रखता है किसी बैंक में, किसी इदारे में, कि जब ये नौकरी छोड़ देंगे तो इनको ये देना, ये पैसा इनको देना. That is employer's contribution to social security. या उस वक्त ये पैसा देना जब उनको जरूरत पड़े.
Yes, sir.
In case of emergencies, in case of contingencies, जब उनको कुछ सेहत की प्रॉब्लम हो, दवाई हो, तालीम हो,
Yes.
कोई हो, उसमें ये पैसा दे. So it includes employer's contribution to social security. And D is pensions on retirement. तो पेंशन दिया जाता है मुलाजिम को. Pensions on retirement.
Yes, sir.
Pensions on retirement.
Retirement.
So compensation of employees is sum total of all payments made to the labor class. To the labor class.
Yes.
So it is sum total of wages and salaries. Wages are given to the casual laborers, which are appointed or employed for day-to-day basis, and salaries are payments to the permanent employees. Payment is in coin. This is cash and this is coin. Wages and salaries in cash and wages and salaries in coin. Employer's contribution to social security schemes, and also it includes compensation of employees, pensioners on retirement. जब एक मुलाजिम रिटायर होता है, जितना वो पेंशन लेता है, that also is included in the compensation of employees. Now we will take the next class of factor income. Factor income का second group क्या है? First group was compensation of employees. So under income method, our first type of income is compensation of employees. Now the second class or second group of income is operating surplus. Second, operating surplus. Operating surplus. What is operating surplus? It is the income from property and entrepreneurship.
Yes,
It is
sir.
the income from property and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. जो लैंड से हमें इनकम आता है और जो एंटरप्रेन्योर से इनकम आता है. इसमें जनरली दो चीजें, प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स लैंड, property means land, and entrepreneurs means organizers or entrepreneurs. Land get us rent and they get us profit. So it is the reward or income earned by the landlord and organizer. So
Yes,
in
sir.
economics we can say it is income earned by landlords and organizers or entrepreneurs, organizers. इसमें क्या क्या आता है? It includes rent, interest and profit. It
Profit,
includes A, rent,
Interest.
interest जो capital पे आता है. So property
Yes.
also includes property, this capital. So property
Yes, sir.
includes two things. One is land and capital. It
Capital.
includes incomes like rent, interest, and C, profit. Profit. Yes. So it includes three types of incomes. That is rent, interest, and profit. This profit is further divided into dividend, अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट एंड कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स।
Yes, sir.
प्रॉफिट, जो प्रॉफिट है
Enterprise.
इसको 3 क्लासेस में हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। प्रॉफिट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू ए डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, विच इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड। बी अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट जिसको हम रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स ऑफ फर्म्स कहते हैं, रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स
sir.
ऑफ फर्म्स, रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स ऑफ फर्म्स। एंड सी कॉर्पोरेट प्रॉफिट टैक्स और कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स। ये 3 चीजें मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा है। व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट और डिविडेंड? It is that part of profit which is divided among shareholders of a company. And undistributed profit is that profit which is not distributed among the shareholders but retained in the firm or corporation or company for further investment or to meet contingencies, emergency. And the corporate tax is that tax which is imposed by the government on undistributed profit. That tax which is imposed by the government on undistributed profit. So these all types of incomes are included in operating surplus. Yes. The third income जो आज तक आपने नहीं पढ़ा है, that is mixed income. This is new type of income, mixed income. Mixed income is the income of self-employed persons. It's the income of self-employed persons. Self-employed persons वो होते हैं, these are neither landlords nor capitalists nor laborers nor organizers. But what are they? They are hamsalah. At the same time, simultaneously, they are landlords, they are capitalists, they are laborers, as well as they are entrepreneurs of his or her own company.
Yes, sir.
खुद अपने काम के entrepreneurs, organizers हैं, managers. These are called self-employed persons, जो अपना काम काज चलाते हैं, जो खुद अपना रोजगार कमाते हैं. They are called self-employed person. So those persons who are not selling his or her labor to others, जो अपना labor दूसरे को नहीं बेचते. So it is the income of self-employed persons, comma, using their own land, comma, labor, comma, capital and organization. जो अपना टैलेंट खुद इस्तेमाल करते हैं और खुद इनकम बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दे दूंगा. देयर इज अ पर्सन ए, he has a shop in the market, he has shops in his own building. कि अपनी एक बिल्डिंग है, उसकी अपनी एक बिल्डिंग है, अपने शॉप्स है, अपनी बिल्डिंग है. वो उसमें मॉल लगाता है, वो उसमें गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज लगाता है फॉर सेलिंग. वो खुद ये बेचता है, खुद बाजार से लाता है, खुद बेचता है. सो अपनी बिल्डिंग, खुद दुकानदारी करता है उसमें, खुद वो he buys, he sells goods to the customers and earn profit. तो जो बिल्डिंग का जो किराया है वो उसके प्रॉफिट में है. सो इसका जो टोटल इनकम है उसमें किराया भी आ गया, रेंट भी आ गया, उसने अपना पैसा लगाया इसमें, उसका इंटरेस्ट भी आ गया उसके इनकम में.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसका प्रॉफिट भी आ गया. सो वी कैन से द मिक्स्ड इनकम इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ रेंट, वेजेस, इंटरेस्ट, profit. So their total income, the mixed income, we can say mixed income is mixture of all incomes, mixture of all income,
income.
like, yes, like rent,
Rent, wages,
wages, comma,
interest,
interest and profit.
and profit.
Yes. So mixed income, we can say it is sum total of rent, wages, interest and profit. इंटरेस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट. कोई डॉक्टर है, वो खुद क्लिनिक चलाता है, अपनी बिल्डिंग है, अपना काम करता है, सो बिल्डिंग का किराया भी अपने जेब में जाता है, उसके इनकम में ऐड होता है. जो उसकी लेबर है, वेजेस है, वो भी अपने जेब में जाता है. और भी लोग उसने वहां अपॉइंट किए हैं, तो उनका प्रॉफिट भी अपने जेब में जाता है, उसका इनकम बनता है mixed income. So mixed income is the income of self-employed persons using their own land, labor, capital, organization to produce goods and services. These incomes
Yes,
are
sir.
mixture of rent, wages, interest and profit. That is why it is called mixed income, because it is mixture of all
Yes, sir.
incomes.
Yes, sir.
So separate estimation, we cannot make separate estimation of rent कितना इसमें आ गया, interest कितना आ गया, profit is not possible. That is not possible.
Profit.
So in fact, the factors of production are not hired or purchased from market. उसने market से कुछ भी purchase नहीं किया. Only self-owned factors are used in household enterprises or small enterprises run by the householders. जिस तरह हम घर में कोई काम करते हैं, छोटी मोटी इंडस्ट्रीज हमें होते हैं, उसमें घर के मजदूर, घर के फैमिली मेंबर्स काम करते हैं, their income becomes the mixed income. So separately we cannot calculate what is rent, what is wages here, what is interest here. So all mixture of all these incomes becomes mixed income. Thus ultimately we can say that sum total of all factor incomes generated. So we can say, ultimately we can say sum total of all factor incomes. Sum total of all factor incomes generated
within the
in the form
domestic
of compensation of employees, in the
Yes,
form
sir.
of compensation of
employees,
comma, operating surplus, and mixed income. And
yes,
mixed
Yes, sir.
income becomes national income of a country. Becomes national income of
Symbol.
a country. So ultimately हम ये कह सकते हैं that we can say that GNP or GDP of a country is equal to compensation of employees, compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income plus
mixed income.
becomes national income. That is GDP.
Yes,
So अगर हम GDP को net factor income abroad plus करेंगे, so that becomes gross national product. अगर हम GDP को plus करेंगे net factor income abroad, yes,
sir.
net factor income abroad, that is net factor income abroad, we get gross national product. Gross national product. So this is all about the income method. This is all about the income method. So understand हो गया what is income method? Income method it shows how to calculate the national income of a country on the basis of factor incomes earned by factors of production of a country during 1 year. It is sum total of rent, wages, interest, profit. So according to this income method, we divide all incomes into three categories or into three groups. These are compensation of employees, operating surplus, and mixed income. Compensation of employees is rent in these wages and salaries
salary.
in cash and coin, employer's
sir.
contribution to social security,
Social
and
scheme,
pensions
pension or retirement.
paid to the employees on retirement.
Yes, sir.
And then we have operating surplus. Operating surplus is generally income from property and entrepreneurship. Income from property
Yes,
and
sir.
entrepreneurship. Property, we include land and capital. Property means land
Yes.
and capital.
Capital.
So operating surplus is sum total of, it includes rent, interest, and profit. Profit is subdivided into distributed profit, undistributed profit, and corporate tax. Then we have last category of this income according to income method, that is mixed income, which is very important and new type of income. It is income of self-employed persons. Income of self-employed persons using their own land, labor, capital, and organization. Mixed income is mixture of all incomes. That is mixture of rent, wages, interest, profit. That is why it is called mixed income. It is some. कहाँ हम पहुंचे थे? So mixed income. Mixed income
Yes,
is
sir.
income of self-employed persons. Those persons who do not sell their labor to others, who work for their own enterprise, for their own entrepreneurship. So their income is when they use their own land, own capital, own organizer, own labor, they earn a chunk of money or a kind of income that is called mixed income. That is
Mixed
called
income.
mixed.
Mixed income.
So sum total of all these three incomes generated in an economy becomes national income. That is sum total of compensation of employees, operating surplus, and mixed income. That becomes gross domestic product. When we add the net factory income earned abroad to gross domestic product, we get gross national product. So this is all about income method. Tomorrow we will discuss the precautions regarding income method. कौन से
Yes, sir.
precautions है?
Yes, sir.
What are the cautions or precautions necessary which we must take into consideration while measuring income of a country through income method? कौन से incomes हमें include करने हैं, कौन से incomes exclude करने हैं? Precautions यही सिखाते हैं. Precautions shows us which type of incomes you can include in the national income and which type of incomes you can exclude. You have to exclude from the national income.
Income.
हो गया? Thank you. Thank you very much. आज के लिए काफी है.
Okay, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चन मत है?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.